Is that time again. Walk to School Week. Orchard Knob Elementary kicked off the festivities bright and early this morning. FARRAR shows us how this annual event stretches beyond a chance to exercise.
By the looks of things, you may think they've been friends forever. But these relationships are just 5 minutes old.
We get to meet the kids that we see out here on a day-to-day basis.
Captain Randy Steele says that's the best part of this annual event. Walk to School Day. Chattanooga firefighters joined nearly 50 students and staff from Orchard Knob Elementary School on the half-mile trip Tuesday morning. One aspect is to build new and unlikely friendships.
If they see us only on 911 calls, then they'll have one perception of us.
It's fun. It's good because I can slap the pain.
They really help us build that sense of community, work together as a community, and give families a chance to really spend some quality time together.
Physical education teacher Mary Hendricks hopes this encourages staying in tip-top shape.
Exercise 60 minutes every day, and walking is part of that.
Go Lions! Go Lions! Not just for one day.
Hope that this will just play over into when they get home in the evenings or during the summer, that they will incorporate walking into their routine of being physically fit, not just for the student, but for the whole family.
7 years of this 10-minute walk, and the new buddies are already looking forward to the next one. This kicks off similar events happening all week and throughout the month of October. And it's not just happening in this area, it's in all 50 states and more than 40 countries. I'm FARRAR reporting for News Channel 9.
Aaron, thanks so much. You can find a full list of the Walk to School events planned this week in our area. Head over to our website, newschannel9.com.